Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is talking about how you can make text move in a presentation like a website. If you've ever crammed a slide with too much text and thought there has to be a better way, this is it. I'm going to show you how to make text scroll smoothly using a morph transition. Let me show you how. Okay, there's a reason the intro to Star Wars is very popular because it has the scrolling text, and we can do this in PowerPoint. So I have my text box right here. It's quite large and long, and I want to go ahead and place it in the text box coming off of the page. So it is, down here. And the way that we're going to achieve this is we're going to select the slide and do Control D and duplicate it. And we're just going to move our text box up one line at a time. Then repeat the process. Duplicate the slide, move the text box up. Notice I'm doing it with my arrows because if you use your mouse and move it around, it can give kind of a moving look to it. And I'll continue to do this till all of them have moved up. So I have my movement through my slides and how they move up. And now I need to select all of them, Control A, and go to Transitions and choose the Morph Transition. It's really important that Morph knows that it's the same text box repeating. Then I will go to my slideshow and I will go from current slide, and I can watch it move as I'm talking. And these could be more spread out, but you can see how it looks like it is scrolling. You could add more space between these. Whatever fits your narrative. If you had this going on in a kiosk, you could set up the slideshow to loop continuously and move through this. There you have it. Now your slide feels paced instead of crowded, and you didn't even have to touch a single animation. This is one of those small PowerPoint upgrades that makes your presentations feel instantly more polished. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.